2 square root of 6 plus 8 square root of 6. Now, this topic is all about addition of radicals. Pag nag-a-add tayo ng radicals, ang titingnan natin ay yung radicand, yung nasa loob ng radical symbol o yung nasa loob ng square root. Now, pag magkatulad yung radicand natin, pwede nating pagsamahin. Pwede nating ipag-add. Now, pag magkatulad sila, ibig sabihin, we just need to copy square root of 6. Alin lang yung ipag-a-add natin? Ang ipapag-add lang natin ay yung coefficient. 2 plus 8, it will give us 10. So, final answer natin, 10 square root of 6. Now, how about with this kind of example? I have here 12 or square root of 12 plus square root of 75. Now, on this case, sa unang tingin natin, mukhang hindi sila like radicals. Okay? Kasi magkaiba yung nasa loob ng radical symbol. Pero, observe natin yung square root of 12. Di ba yung square root of 12, kaya pa